Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vlad Sarser and I'm your mortgage broker and your loan officer. Today I wanted to talk about 5 things that you can do to keep a good credit score. So, how do I get and keep a good credit score? Let's dive right into it. There is no secret formula to building a strong credit score, but there are some guidelines that can help. Number 1, pay your loans on time, every time. One way to make sure your payments are on time is to set up automatic payments or set up electronic reminders. If you've missed payments, get current and stay current. Number 2, don't get close to your credit limit. Credit scoring models look at how close you are to being maxed out. So try to keep your balances low compared to your total credit limit. If you close some credit card accounts and put most or all of your credit card balances onto one card, it may hurt your credit score. This means that you are using a high percentage of your total credit limit. Experts advise keeping your use of credit at no more than 30% of your total credit limit. You don't need to revolve on credit cards to get a good score. Paying off the balances each month helps to get your best score. Number 3, a long credit history will help your score. Credit scores are based on experience over time. The more experience your credit report shows with paying your loans on time, the more information there is to determine whether you are a good credit recipient. Number 4, only apply for credit that you need. Credit scoring formulas look at your recent credit activity as a signal of your need for credit. If you apply for a lot of credit over a short period of time, it may appear to lenders that your economic circumstances have changed negatively. Number 5, fact check your credit reports. If you spot suspected errors, dispute them. If you have old credit card accounts you are not using, keep an eye on them to make sure that an identity thief is not using them. A tip: if you're new to credit, consider getting a product designed to helping you establish and build credit. Financial institutions have developed an array of products and services such as secured credit cards and credit builder loans, tailored to helping consumers new to credit to establish and build credit. And definitely watch my videos on how to start a brand new credit history and the mistakes people make with credit cards. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video. If you have additional questions, feel free to contact me by phone, text or email. You can also go to our website alianzainc.net or vladsarser.com. Make sure to watch all other videos. There's tons of useful information to get you to your financial freedom. Thanks again, prosper gratefully and gracefully, and I will see you guys in my next video.